Ever been in the middle of an epic gaming session only to have your Wi-Fi suddenly drop or experience frustrating lag? A super stable internet connection is key for smooth online gaming, and that often means opting for a wired connection. For your Xbox, you will plug the Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port located on the back of the console. This port is specifically designed for a reliable wired internet connection, giving you a smooth and consistent online gaming experience. Using a wired connection through this Ethernet port offers several key advantages over Wi-Fi. It provides a far more stable connection, consistently faster download and upload speeds, and significantly reduced latency, which is absolutely crucial for competitive online gaming and maintaining clear communication with your teammates. Connecting it is straightforward. First, look at the back of your Xbox console. You will see a few different ports there. The Ethernet port is typically a rectangular opening, slightly larger than a USB port, and it often has a small symbol above or next to it that looks like 3 connected rectangles or a simple network icon. Simply take one end of your Ethernet cable and firmly push it into this port until you hear or feel a satisfying click. The other end of the cable will then connect to an available LAN port on your internet router or modem. Once both ends are securely connected, your Xbox should automatically detect the wired connection. You can then go into your Xbox network settings to confirm it says wired under current network status. Many gamers refer to this as a direct line connection because it creates a dedicated pathway for your console's internet traffic, bypassing potential interference or signal degradation that can affect wireless signals. This direct link ensures that your Xbox gets priority access to your home network's bandwidth, leading to quicker game downloads, more responsive gameplay, and less frustration from unexpected disconnections. So, by simply connecting that Ethernet cable to the designated port on the back of your Xbox and your router, you unlock a superior, more dependable internet experience. This small step can make a huge difference in your gaming, ensuring your online adventures are as smooth and uninterrupted as possible, letting you focus entirely on the fun.